Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We all want that our garden has a lot of flowers. We planted this tuberose about 60 days ago. I hope you have already watched the video about how to plant and take care of tuberose. We all have to know which fertilizer is necessary for blooming flowers. So today I will talk about which fertilizer to give to your tuberose plant. So first, my mom took some kitchen waste compost. Then gave a handful of eggshell. Then add dry banana peel powder and then simply mix it. We have already told in a previous video that a tuberose plant is a heavy feeder plant. To stimulate blooming, choose fertilizer with a higher percentage of phosphorus compared to the percentage of nitrogen and potassium. You can add eggshells, banana peels, grains, and mushroom to your composting pile. It will add phosphorus to your compost. You will be surprised to know that there's a lot of phosphorus in your hair. So, while you cut your hair at home, you can save your hair so you can give it to your tuberose plant. You can give it to other plants also to get more flowers. In the market, there's a lot of chemical fertilizers for blooming your flowers. But fertilizers from organic matter not only supply essential nutrients to the flowers, but also improve soil tilth. Did you know there are several advantages to using organic fertilizers? They never burn the plants, strengthen plants' immune system. It is not toxic to beneficial insects and wildlife. It remains active in the soil for long periods. This is a liquid fertilizer from our kitchen waste. We have also uploaded a video about how to make this liquid fertilizer from kitchen waste. So you can go and watch that video. Dilute this liquid fertilizer with water and then simply give it to your plants. You can give it twice in a week. All organic fertilizers are a slow release because it takes time for organic matter to decompose in the presence of soil microorganisms. If you have a space for small gardening, then I request you all to do organic gardening. If you do organic gardening, it helps the soil, plant and the environment also. If you don't know how to make organic fertilizers, then you can check our channel. It has a lot of fertilizers in it. And now there is this last fertilizer to bloom more flowers. It is rice water fertilizer. You can use it daily, dilute with water. I hope if you follow these steps, you will get a lot of flower in tuberose this year. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe and like this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.